Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Journey in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is safely stopped and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This prevents any unexpected movement. Next, you'll need to locate the shift interlock release mechanism, which allows you to bypass the electronic lock and manually move the gear selector. This is a crucial step for towing or if your battery is dead. To access the release, look for a small plastic cover near your gear shifter, often on the side or in the console cubby. Carefully use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry this cover off. Be careful not to damage the surrounding trim. Once removed, you will see the shift interlock release lever or button inside the opening. With the cover off, insert a small tool, like a screwdriver, into the opening. You will feel a lever or button inside. Press this release lever down firmly and hold it. While holding the lever, simultaneously move your gear shifter from park into the neutral position. This action manually overrides the shift lock mechanism. Once the shifter is in neutral, release the override lever and remove your tool. Double-check that the vehicle is indeed in neutral before attempting to move it. Remember to reinstall the access cover to protect the mechanism. For more helpful tips and great deals, check the description below. You'll find links to useful resources, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.